Hello, welcome guys. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to display full file path in File Explorer in Windows 10 PC or laptop. So as we want to display full file path in File Explorer in Windows 10 PC or laptop, so very easy. First right click on new folder. Now you have new folder. After click on view, click on options. Click on view. Here we can display the full path in the title bar, so check this box. Click on apply, click on OK. That is, now see, change the name. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to display full file path in File Explorer in Windows 10 PC or laptop. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for latest update.